Hey, and good afternoon. This is Angela from Ask a House Cleaner, and I'm super excited that you guys have joined me today. Today, I'm here with Shari Cedar, and she is brilliant. And I'm super excited to have her back. She runs one of the largest cleaning companies, commercial cleaning companies in the state of Florida that's independently owned and operated. And she runs the business with her husband. And she's just a wealth of information.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. It is wonderful to be here as super treat, and I love your background. I will just continue to say that it's brilliant, colorful, and cheery and happy, which is what cleaning should represent.
The residential industry for cleaners often attracts a certain type of person that is available to work during the day hours. So tell us about the commercial industry and the different types of people that you might be able to hire that maybe this is a second job or something for them.
Sure, generally speaking, commercial cleanings at night. The hours really are typically 6 to 10 p.m. And it's really an ideal opportunity for somebody who wants to supplement their income. They can have a 40-hour a week job or whatever full time position, and then they could come and work 4 hours at night. Sometimes it's only 2 hours, it depends. So we find that a lot of our staff, this is a second job for them, and it works out very well. You do need to take into consideration travel time. I want to point that out. If you're going to work 2 to 3 hours, you have to make it worth your while. You don't want to pay all that gas money. You don't want to be stuck in traffic. You don't want to get home too late. So, those are considerations. We also have day porters, and that's a daytime job, and that's typically a 40-hour a week job, probably benefits, insurance, depending on where you go. And that's another great opportunity if you like to interact with people during the day, be part of a team. And you are part of a team at night too, don't get me wrong. It's just a little bit quieter, a little more solitude.
And so are those day porters employees of AK Building
Mhm.
Services or are they employees of the company that hired them?
No, they're employees of AK Building Services. You will go into a company and you might see the day porter wearing the company shirt because that's what that client prefers, but they're
Mhm.
our employee. Or you may see the AK shirt. Our day porters always wear polo shirts. They always are tucked in and look clean and professional, but you can always see the day porter.
Well, and I think that's an important thing to say because there are a lot of companies that want to be represented by a professional looking company. And so, whether you're a
Yes.
day or a night company, if you look professional, it's going to show up on camera. Number one, they are going to
Mhm.
watch you. I promise you this, they are going to watch you. Somebody somewhere is going to watch you clean. They're going to watch your every move, whether you're in a home or you're in an office, and they're going to give you feedback, right? And so, it is important to look professional and to do the job that you were hired to do and to be thorough and effective and consistent. Those are like the keys. Because if you start skipping stuff and you're like, oh, like I'm looking around and nobody's here, so I'm just gonna screw around on my phone for a half hour and then I'll like dust the
Oh
top or
no.
something.
Somebody is always watching for better or for worse. Cleaners work so hard. And occasionally, if a company had a party and they've left water out or a soda, to me, that's indicative of help yourself. In the world
Mhm.
I've grown up, if you put drinks out on the table, but you'll get a call the next day. Well, the cleaner took the bottle of water, and you think, well, geez, it was sitting out there. They were thirsty. And oh, okay, you're right. I shouldn't have called you about that. So people do roll back tape, they do spot check. And I think homes, they do that probably more so than commercial properties. I'm willing to bet residential people are looking a lot more closely than commercial.
I know at Savvy Cleaner, which is the company that I have training house cleaners and maids, we have a policy, and the policy is not so much as a piece of Halloween candy. If it was not given to you, it is not yours. Do not
Yeah.
take it. It is not yours. Well, it was next to the trash. So I thought they were going to throw it away, but it was not in the trash and they did not give it to you. If they did not physically give it to you and say, hey, I want you to have this, I thought of you, maybe you can use it. It is not yours. Do not take it.
Even if it's in the trash on the curb, don't take it. That's how I look at it. Sometimes if you have a special relationship, you say, "Hey, if you're tossing that, can I have it?" But in general, it's better just not to.
Great advice, as always. Oh, I love this. All right, you guys, thanks so much for joining me here today. Thank you, Sherry. This has been enlightening and informational and entertaining. So thank you. I appreciate you guys dropping in today to visit with us and to share this information. So until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.
Yes. Shine brighter.